Itong beef liver, I already put 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Tayo ay magluluto. I-turn on na natin yung heat. Ito, initin na natin yung paglulutuan natin na ano ito, kasirula. And then our lulutuin. So I'm gonna cook beef liver. Ang ingredients natin sa beef liver ay mayroon tayong ito. Mayroong ginger, garlic, chopped onion, another chopped onion, red bell pepper. Mayroon din tayong hot pepper, may lemon juice, spring onion. Ito yung yung beef liver. Saka mayroon tayong gagamitin na ground black pepper, Sprite, and syempre ang olive oil. So lagyan na natin ng olive oil to. Konti lang ay pagka ako'y naggigisa, konti lang ang nilalagay kong olive oil. Yan, okay na yan. Itong beef liver, I already put 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Unahin natin ang ginger. Next is garlic. And then next is a chopped onion. We're gonna cook till light brown. And the next I am gonna add the beef liver. I'm gonna mix it. May paminta na po yan. And then we're gonna add a half can of Sprite. Wala pang ang half can. Hayaan natin kumulo ng 1 minute. And then the red bell pepper. So, andyan na yung red hot pepper, hindi na video. And then we have to mix a little bit. Turn off the heat, and then we're gonna transfer in a serving plate. we're gonna add some extra bell pepper. And then the chop the chop red onion. It's a garnish. And then sprinkle the spring onion on top. And then don't forget the lemon. So ayan. So luto na ang ating ulam na pulutan pa. So ayan.